Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Jagmeet Kaur, and today I'm very excited to share with you that I have completed the Optimizely SaaS CMS certification. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, what topics to focus on, how to prepare, and some tips to help you pass the exam. So let's dive in. So let's start with the where to purchase the exam. So if you need to purchase the exam for Optimizely, you need to go to academy.optimizely.com. So you just create your account from here. It is free of cost. So once you created your account, you can go to the certifications. This will take you to the page where you will be able to find all the certifications related to Optimizely, related to all the products in Optimizely. So if you scroll down, you will be able to see the certifications for SaaS, PaaS, commerce certifications, experimentation certification, product recommendation and analytics certification, Optimizely data platform certification. So all the certifications you will be able to find here. So I recently completed the CMS SaaS certification. So I'll walk you through all the topics in this. But believe me, if you follow the same flow that I'll go through today, so you will be able to pass the other exams also. The topics may be different, but the flow is going to be the same. So let's get started. So it's a SaaS CMS Administrator Expert Certification, CMS Developer Expert Certification, then developer core competencies, administrator core competencies. So let's walk you through the CMS developer that I've recently completed. Let's go into this. So if you see this page in the top, it's written like there is a banner here which says that passed on this. I can view the credentials, and this certification is going to expire on Feb 21, 2027. I can retake the certification by clicking on this. If you scroll a little down, you will be able to see the other details related to the certifications. So this certification will cost you like 300 US dollars. And this certification is of like 60 minutes, and there are like 50 multiple choice questions. You need to clear like have minimum of 85% to pass the exam. So 85% means out of like 50 questions, like your 43 questions should be correct. Once you purchase your exam, you will have 14 days to complete the exam. If you scroll at the bottom of the page, you will be able to see the options to purchase the exam. If you have the coupon code, you can apply the coupon code and then purchase the exam. So on the day of the exam, you will be able to see the launch button on this page, by clicking on which you can just start your exam. Regarding the topics that you need to cover, so if you can see, there are links that are given on the page which says SaaS CMS Developer Core Competence Certificate Reference Material. Click on that. Then you will be able to find a link to the PDF file that they're providing. So it will contain all the topics that you need to cover in order to clear the certification. So along with the topic name, there is a link to the page where you can find the topic and the stuff about the topic. For example, in this page, on this page, you will be able to see the overview of the product, SaaS product. So questions will be something like, so they will give you some of the features, like 4 features in the MCQ, and you will be able to find out which is not the feature of the SaaS. So that will be one of the questions. And then it can be like there will be key tools, whether these are the tools of SaaS Optimizely or not. And then they will give you some of the capabilities that are given to the different roles, whether these capabilities belong to the developer role or not. Let me go to the next link, like getting started with CMS SaaS. So let's go to the topics here. So if I walk you through the topics here, so there are general features, dashboard, what's there in the dashboard. So there were some questions in the certification exam which says like what's there in the dashboard. Like in the dashboard we have define, create, and the render content. So there will be some other option also that you have to choose that this is not present on the dashboard. And there will be some questions like if we are having the workflow, and what are the options that are available in the workflow. So we are having draft, in review, approved, scheduled, and rejected. There will be one option which is not there. So you need to choose that options. There can be there can be questions like whether the language is present, and what appears in the broken links. That can also be the question. So these are the types of the questions that were asked in the exam. So there can be questions. For example, if I go up on the dashboard, so we are having the render content. So questions can be where can you find the examples on the dashboard. So the examples on the dashboard lies under the render content. So this is where you can find our examples. So this is a Git repository link you will find on our examples. So you need to go through all the topics that it is having. So first are these concept topics, then editing topics, then managing content topics, administrating topics, then plan. So you need to go through all these topics in order to clear the exam. Questions will be, most of the questions are like straightforward question from these links. There are like very few questions that are little bit tricky, but if you go through all these content available here, you will be able to clear the questions. And also, you can go through my playlist on YouTube on Optimizely CMS. As this will mostly cover most of the topics for your certification. There are some of the questions that I recall from the certification exam that I'm going to link under the description of this video, and attach my blog on the same topic in the description of the video too. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you all clear the Optimizely certification. Best of luck.